Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment. I haven't been down here for a while, that's why you can look and see that nothing's been really done much. Let my cameraman show you. All these beds I would have dug up already, but when they're still here to be dug, I have to take my time and do them. So sorry about the aeroplane noise again, I keep having to saying that. What happened is, all the time when I was having, saying my back wouldn't let me do certain amount when I come down here, and I know you know your body yourself, but I didn't realise how, what was causing all the pain. And then I was in hospital for a few days and I've just come out, so I've got to take it easy. Still got my hospital band on, as you can see, still got my hospital band, and it came out a couple of days ago, so they said I can just go back to normal duties but take my time, which I'm going to do. I'm just waiting for them to give me a date for operation, which is a big, a small operation hopefully. So what I've come down to do, just come down to check things and see if I can manage to dig out a couple of these beds, empty them out, and got my cameraman with me to help me pull out these things meanwhile I'm digging, and get these, see if I can get a couple of these beds dug over. Then once I've done that, then I can just put some manure on and then we're good to go. So I'll show you the progress of what's happening today. My body's not 100, but that's how it goes. You still got to get on with things. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I nearly finished this first one. I'm just hot at the moment, so just getting it turned over. Then I'm going to cover it with the manure, and then we're good to go for next season. Just getting out any weeds and that what I don't want in there. Some of this grass up here, got to get that out, and then we're good to go. So going to carry on with this. Then I've seen a few heads of broccoli, so I'm going to harvest those and get the other bed dug up and see what I can do. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so managed to get the first bed dug, got the manure on it as you can see. It's nicely rotted because I brought it round from before, left it in bags. They haven't started bringing stuff over this side. I have to go to the far end to get it, and I don't really want to carry it in my car when it's that smelly. So what I've got here, I've gone and I've seen a few heads of broccoli. So I'm going to just, there's a few heads of broccoli here, so I'm going to just take these off before before, so then I'll just freeze them when I get in. So I'm going to do that. Some purple sprouting broccoli here. This is a normal green one, this is a purple sprouting one. It's the purple sprouting one and that's the normal one. So all what I do when I go home now, I just sort everything out. So I'm just going to go through this bed, and I've seen a couple down here, but I'm going to pull these ones out anyway, so I can dig over this bed now in a minute. So Gonna carry on doing that and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've dug this one over, I've got the manure in, just gonna spread it out thick as I can. Just want a thick, nice thick layer on it. And then what I'll have to do every time I come down here, just keep an eye on it for the weeds and that. I'm gonna start taking hold. Need another bag. You can see we got some of these nice red worms what I'll just bring it down. So making sure I'm putting a thick layer on it, because if this rottens down in time, then what I'll do, I'll put another thin layer on top and then dig this in and put another layer on top. But I'll see how it goes. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so this bed I just managed to get this one done quickly. Because this had all the tree things on it, and then when I emptied out my sweet potatoes and that, all that compost was left on top of it. So I just turned it over a bit and then done it quickly. So what I'm going to do now, just put a layer of manure on top of this one as well, and then I think I might call it for the day. My body's a bit tired now, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so managed to get this one done, got it covered in a manure. Or starting on taking down that structure, because I want to see if I can build something a bit more stronger than that. I've got an idea in mind, still using the bamboos, but I'm not sure what I'm going to be putting in there yet, so I might be putting my corn in these first two beds, and that's how. But I want to just take that down and dig it and manure it. Then I've got that one, the top one, and I've got 1, 2, 3 more to do. So it's just getting everything out of that one, getting those cabbages and spinaches out of that one, and then this one here, then digging it over. Then once I've done that, I'll show you the top here. I've got an idea for this fencing up here is no good. I just noticed these posts are just in there, there's nothing holding them up. So all these posts are just loose in there. So what I might thinking of doing is once I trim, get out all these stinging nettles and all that, that is putting a fence along here like what I've done at the front, so that I've got something more stronger there. Use the scaffold boards and put another fence along there, and then we'll do that, and then that way everything will be more into my one. I'm still looking into the polytunnel. I was saying the ones what I've seen are 7.5 foot wide, and it would be the same length as this one, but if I put a wider one there, then I'll be losing those 2 beds there. But then I was just thinking, if I got a polytunnel, then some things would, the polycarbonate one, most of the things would be inside anyway, like my cucumbers and that will be inside. This would be 7.5 foot high, and the costing price, I've got a few quotes from companies what will come and install it and everything, put the flooring down and everything like that, and it's coming out at about 3.5 grand. So that's a lot of money investing into a allotment, but then at the end of the day you don't know how many years you're going to be here. So I'm still looking into that. I don't want one of the plastic polyfurane one, because you know it's going to be the same problem replacing the plastic all the time, and that's going to just build up the money. Where as a polycarbonate one, or what you have to do every year is just move everything and just wipe it down, and you're good to go for the next year. And then this shed is here. All I've used it for is just for storage, so next year I'm going to see what to do with it. I'm going to take it down or what. But we've managed to get 3 beds done today. Not 100%, but we're getting there. Once I've dug up these, I've got 3 more beds to do. This one, that one and that one. I've got 3 more beds to dig and cover over. Then once I've done that, I'm just going to come and trim, tidy up the sides, get the sides bordered up, start bordering up the sides, and then everything will look a lot more neater and easier to work on, because that's what I'm going to have to try and do, and make it as easy for myself as I can. So all I would need to do is just attend to the beds and trim, and then the borders would be there to protect everything. I can trim right up to the boards now, which is going to be a lot easier for trimming. I can trim right up to there without worrying about knocking off the top of my plants and losing plants like that. So that's what we've done for today. We're getting there slowly and surely. I don't know when they're going to call me in for my operation. That's going to set me back a while, because they're saying it's going to be about 4 to 6 weeks recovery on that. So I'm hoping that they'll do it in the late winter months, when I don't need to be worrying about things like that. That's why I'm trying to get all these beds done. I'm thinking about covering them in the plastic as well to keep down the weeds, because I know the grass is prolific coming through the manure and that, so I might cover them with plastic, and the wheat, the matting membrane what I got down there, might reel it out, empty it out, clean it off, and then cut it up and put that on top, keep the weeds down. So I hope you're all getting into your winter season. Next year I hope to come back bigger and better, have more exotic plants for you to try. I've got some pumpkin seeds what I'm sorting out. They're going to be all mixed, so if any of you need pumpkin seeds, you can reach out to me. I'll send you a packet of pumpkin seeds. What I've got there be the ones what I've planted last year. I've dried some of the seeds, so they're good to go for next year. Crown Prince, the hybrid. There's got to be a mixture of seeds in each pack, so you can reach out to me somehow. I don't know how I'm going to get your addresses and that, because I don't want to bother anybody in that way. But I'm going to post some on eBay for sale as well, so I might give you my email for eBay as well, so you can go on the link. They're not expensive. It's just I think there's about 25 seeds or so in each pack, which is more than what everybody else gives. I know when you buy a pack of pumpkin seeds, you only get 10 in a pack, so I'm putting 25 pumpkin seeds, a mixture of them, so you can have those all up and ready. So I might have some sugar. There might be a small packet of sugar cane seeds in there as well for you to try as well. Anything else I've got, I'll let you know. What else? Everything's just coming along, so I hope you all enjoy this one. And anything else, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'm getting there. When I go home now, I've just got to go and rest now. Have something to eat and lie down and rest. I've been in bed for 2 days so that I could come down here and get this done. So hopefully we should be all right for the season. All those that are subscribing to the channel, watching and coming along with me, thanks for that, and thanks for your encouragement. Soon I'll do a video and thank you all individually, all those who've been watching this channel, those whose channels I've been watching. There's a few channels what I've been watching, getting ideas from and stuff like that. But more or less, my main aim is to plant stuff what you don't see regularly, see if we can get it growing down here. Then if I can get the seeds and that for them, then I can reach out for everyone to give them a try. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.